Have you ever caught yourself thinking, where did all my money go? You just got your paycheck, and it's already gone. And the craziest part, you didn't even buy anything major, yet your balance is back to zero. Today I want to talk about why we spend everything we earn. From my own experience, in simple words, and with real, actionable advice. I used to think, once I start making more, I'll finally have enough. But the more I earned, the faster the money disappeared. New needs showed up, more expensive coffee shops, sneakers, gadgets. I kept telling myself, I deserve this. But in reality, the problem wasn't the money. It was my behavior. We don't spend because we need to, we spend because emotions control our money. Tired? You buy yourself a little treat. Bad day? Time for something new. That's called the I earned it effect. And then there's FOMO, fear of missing out. You scroll through social media and see people traveling, shopping, living their best life. And without realizing, you start copying them. But what no one shows, their actual bank balance. We don't really see our future selves. Our brain only cares about right now. We don't have a system, we just react to life. And most importantly, our money has no clear purpose. When money is just some numbers on a screen, why not spend it? I started with simple steps, automatic transfers. 10% of my income goes straight to a don't touch savings account. A financial check-in. Once a month, I honestly look at where my money went. A joy budget. 5 to 10% is set aside for fun. Rewards matter too, but they should be planned. The 24-hour rule. Like something, wait 24 hours. If you still want it after a day, go ahead and buy it. Start treating money as a tool for freedom. Even if you're at zero right now, it's not the end. It's the moment where change begins. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm taking control of my money. I read everything. We're in this together.